Everybody, it's Ron here at Concours Salon, and today I'm going to put some rock protection on the front windshield of this Volkswagen Tiguan. I'm not a window tinter, and STEK has sent me some film to install on there, and they say you don't have to be a window tinter to install this film. So I'm not a tinter. He's a tinter though. So Tristan's gonna stand by and just kind of watch me muddle through this. So let's get busy on it. I've prepped this windshield, and what I've done, since I don't really know what I'm doing, I've used this scrubber pad that we use for window tinting to clean the outside, and then I still saw some stuff, so I went back by it with clay, and then we used a panel wipe that we use for PPF on it. This is the STEK film here that I'm going to install on the windshield. So there's no cap sheet on it. There is a liner that you pull off, but I had to check it to make sure there wasn't a cap sheet. But once you pull the liner back, it feels pretty stretchy. So I'm going to measure out what I need here on this windshield, and we'll start installing it. The slip I'm going to use is the same slip that I have for our paint protection film. Same stuff that I use to put the film on this hood here. I don't know if I'm supposed to use alcohol. I don't think I will. I'll just probably use just straight slip and see how it sticks first. And then if I need to, I'll come back and flush it with a little alcohol. I'm removing this right here. And the reason why is when I put this on here, there we go. I'll have the windshield protection run under these little gaskets on the side. The goal is to get it as close to the edge as possible, and obviously I want it to go below the windshield wipers down here, so the windshield wipers aren't rubbing up against it. Usually when you do a tint on a car, you just tint the exposed area of the glass, which you see through, but this stuff here, my assumption is you're going to do as close to the edge all the way around. Now, I have tried to lay windshield film before and not had much success because of the whole shrinking process. But this stuff is just laying just like paint protection film here. So this side I seem to have a few wrinkles here. What's kind of cool is the adhesive actually sticks once you've squeegeed it. Kind of seems to stay stuck where paint protection film wants to lift. Okay, so let's see how easy this stuff cuts here. Got my squeegee. And I have it angled out this way so it maybe cuts it back just a little bit. out and looking through it, it looks like a freshly tinted windshield from the inside. You can see little bits of moisture here and there, kind of that watery, wavy look. I don't know how long it's going to take to dry out. We had sun earlier and the clouds are starting to roll in. I'm going to leave it out here for a little while before I seal the edges back up and give you my final opinion on it. Realistically, time will tell how good this film is, and a few more installs we could get a lot better at it. This has a little bit of debris in it, and we should have washed the card, really cleaned out around all the edges. So we're gonna let it sit for a little while and we'll come back and visit it. Okay, so the film's on the windshield. It's had time to sit outside and dry out a little bit. Pretty much just like paint protection film. No special skills are needed for shrinking it, which is a 10 plus. As far as it protecting it, I don't know. Time will tell. So we'll see how well it protects it. This car is going to get driven a lot this summer, back and forth from the beach. It's my wife's car, so it's a good 3-hour drive one way with lots of rocks and bugs. So we'll really test it out over the summer. The only thing I wish I'd done, I wish I was a little more thorough with my cleaning, because there is a little debris on some of the edges. But first time installing it, and from what I'm told, it comes off fairly easy. So we'll give it a good run this summer and see how well it protects. If you're interested in this product, I highly recommend it. It's been released, or it's going to be released here pretty quick. I've had this sample here for a while and just absolutely forgot about it, but the guys at STEK were nice enough to send it to me, so I really appreciate it, and hope you find this video very informative. Have a great day.